Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the natural world and the fascinating stories that unfold within it. I'm your host, David, and I'm excited to share with you today's compelling tale. We're starting off with a story from New Zealand, where a troubled wildlife park has been forced to euthanize 2 of its elderly lions, leaving the fate of its remaining 5 lions uncertain. The Camel Wildlife Sanctuary in Whangarei closed its doors recently after running into financial difficulties, and the owner, Bolton Equities, put the 32.5-hectare property up for sale in August. The sanctuary's operator, Jeanette Valance, announced on Facebook that the 7 lions, aged between 18 and 21 years old, would be euthanized due to the lack of viable options for their care. However, after an outpouring of support from the public, there's now a glimmer of hope for the remaining 5 lions, as a few individuals have expressed interest in purchasing the facility and continuing to care for them. This story highlights the complexities and challenges of wildlife conservation, particularly when it comes to caring for aging animals in captivity. As we delve into this topic, we'll explore the ethical considerations and emotional responses that come with making difficult decisions about animal welfare. The Camel Wildlife Sanctuary has had a tumultuous past, with incidents including a handler being mauled to death by a white tiger in 2009, and frequent financial troubles that led to changes in ownership. Despite these challenges, the sanctuary had reopened in 2021 after upgrading its enclosures, only to face liquidation in 2023. As we consider the fate of the remaining lions, we're reminded of the importance of responsible wildlife management and the need for sustainable solutions that prioritize animal welfare. We'll continue to follow this story and explore more thought-provoking topics from the natural world. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. We're exploring the fascinating world of oceanography today, and our next story takes us deep into the heart of the Pacific Ocean. Researchers from the University of Hawaii at Manoa have been studying the unique ecosystem of the Clarion-Clipperton Zone, or CCZ, a vast area of seafloor that's home to an incredible array of marine life. The team, led by Dr. Michael Drazen, has been investigating the fluid web dynamics of this region, using advanced techniques like stable isotope analysis to understand how energy flows through the ecosystem. What they found is remarkable. The fish and invertebrates that live in this area are connected by a complex network of relationships, with each species playing a vital role in the functioning of the whole system. One of the key findings of the study is the importance of deep-sea fish as both predators and prey. These fish, which can live at depths of over 4,000 meters, are a crucial link between the surface waters and the seafloor, helping to transfer energy from the sunlit surface to the dark, food-scarce depths. The researchers also found that the CCZ is home to a unique community of microorganisms, which play a key role in decomposing organic matter and recycling nutrients. The study has important implications for our understanding of the ocean's ecosystem services and how they might be impacted by human activities like deep-sea mining. As we continue to explore and exploit the ocean's resources, it's essential that we understand the complex relationships between different species and ecosystems and take steps to protect and preserve these delicate balances. The research team's findings are a powerful reminder of the awe-inspiring complexity and beauty of the natural world, and the importance of continued scientific exploration and discovery. Welcome back to Nature Walk, dear listeners. As we conclude our journey through the natural world today, I'd like to share with you a most intriguing tale that has left Ireland on edge, and it's a story that will surely bring a smile to your face. Imagine walking through the woodlands of County Clare, the lush green foliage surrounding you, the sounds of nature echoing through the air, when suddenly, a sighting that seems almost impossible in this part of the world, a lion, or so it seemed. A grainy video sent to John O'Reilly, a forest manager in Western Ireland, by a truck driver, showed a stocky, tan-coloured animal with a shaggy mane and tufted tail lumbering into the trees. The immediate reaction, as O'Reilly recalled, was one of disbelief. That couldn't be what it looks like. A lion in Ireland? It sounded like the stuff of legends or perhaps a prank gone viral on social media. However, this sighting sparked both speculation and skepticism across news sites and social media platforms in Ireland. The possibility of a lion roaming free was not only astonishing, but also raised concerns about safety. After nearly a week of mystery, Ireland's police force, known as An Garda Síochána, solved the case, revealing that the creature was not an apex predator from the savannas of Africa, but a very friendly and somewhat unusually groomed Newfoundland dog named Mouse. The amusing part of this story is not just the mix-up itself, but also the fact that Mouse had been groomed to resemble a lion, complete with a shaved fur pattern that mimicked a lion's mane and tail. While vets do not recommend shaving the coats of water dogs like Newfoundlands, as their coats protect them from the elements, Mouse seemed to be enjoying his newfound fame, albeit with a rather odd haircut. This tale brings us back to the fascinating intersection of human and animal lives, where sometimes what seems extraordinary can have a very ordinary explanation. It's a reminder that in our natural world, surprises await us around every corner, and not everything is as it initially appears. As we wrap up this story, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of unexpected encounters and the importance of respecting and understanding the creatures with whom we share our planet. Whether they are majestic lions or friendly dogs like Mouse, each plays a unique role in the grand tapestry of life. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.